welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of Rae-DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm living a dream down here in Orlando, Florida. I have some great news I want to share with you, but I'm going to wait until the end of the video. But now let's get into the second video of the polygel swatch. So today we are going to be doing swatches of this brand here. I have 8 polygel swatches for you guys, so let's get straight into it. So starting out with the black, the diamond black. I've used this color once before. How does that look, guys? And then we have our diamond purple. I think I have used this color as well. Maybe once. If you don't know, purple is my favorite color, so I just find this to be super gorgeous. Next, we have diamond sequins. I've also used this once before as well. Isn't it so pretty? And then we have diamond gold. I do not think I have used this one at all yet. Now that is a pretty gold. Next we have diamond blue. I have definitely used this a couple of times. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Next, we have diamond red. I think I've used this once. Kind of almost looks like a raspberry color, actually. I know that's red, but still. has like a hint of pink in it to me. Next we have Diamond Silver. I do not think I have used this color at all yet. What do you guys think of these colors so far? Would you buy this brand and use these colors? Let me know down in the comment section below, okay guys? And last but not least, we have Diamond Pink. And I don't think I've used this one at all either yet. Can you see how that red and that pink look like it's in the same family? Well, I know red and pink are in the same family, but still, like, for these colors, don't they look more in the pink family? That red be more in the pink family than in the red family, actually. So let me go ahead and cure these for you guys and we'll be right back. All right, ladies, so this is what the colors look like after they have been cured. So we have that diamond black, diamond purple, diamond sequin, diamond gold, diamond blue, diamond red, diamond silver, and last, diamond pink. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video of the swatches of this polygel diamond collection by Mizhse. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. If you know the correct pronunciation, please let me know down in the comments below. But before I completely end this video, I have some news to share with you guys. So, you guys know that I have only been down here in Orlando for a couple of weeks now, and your girl already got a job. Yes, I got a job working in a nail salon. I'm finally in an actual nail salon. Woo! This is so exciting. So I went in for an interview on Friday and was immediately hired on the spot. And I started the next day on Saturday, was there an entire day, and guess what? Your girl did 2 clients that day. They just pushed me straight into the water. No life jacket, no nothing. Like, go ahead girl, you got this, just do what you know, okay? And they turned out so amazing. If you guys are not following me on Instagram yet or Facebook at DivaMePlz, make sure you are following me so that you are all caught up on my nail sets. So it may be a while before you see any more nail sets on my channel, just because I'm trying to get a feel for the place first before I just, you know, bring in the camera and was like, can I film your nails? Can I feel your nails, girl? So it may be a while, but I will start vlogging and bringing you guys to work with me. It won't necessarily, you know, be of nail sets as of yet, but you guys will be able to come along with me and just, you know, be with me for the day, see what I do in the nail salon, and I just can't wait to show you guys. It has been so exciting. So I am working at Bunny's Nail Bar Salon and Spa. It is off of John Young Parkway, so if you are familiar with that area and you would like your nails done by moi, come and see me. It is appointment only, so make sure you book online first. Book with Rae. The booking now site is in my bio on Instagram, so make sure you do that. If you want me to slay your nails, don't worry, you know I'm good for it. I got you. But anyway, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next, if anything in particular on my channel. I got you, girl. I'll just, you know, work it into my schedule. And make sure you share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends. We can all learn and grow together, just so that you have a little insight of what possibly can go on in your own nail journey. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DivaMePlz, and consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, and I look forward to growing with you guys, chatting with you guys, you know, everything with you guys. So until next time, bye.